Alright guys, it's time to release my pet fish. Enjoy your life in your new pond, buddy. See ya! There he goes. Oh my god, no! My pet fish!
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Cooter, I love you.
I love you too, Bunny. Love you, Bunny. Love you too.
Steven, it is 1:03 a.m. Please don't do this. This is not the time, sir. Boo. No, nothing? You're scaring me.
I need your love, I need your time. When everything's wrong, you make it right. I feel so high, I come alive. I got a big fat ass. Come on.
You got a question? All done walking for today, Buns. Park later. All done walk. Yeah, we're home now. Yep, exactly. We're home now. Oh, I love you too, Bunny. I love you too. Come here. Come here. Oh.
I like your ears.
Mine?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. I like your spots.
Really? I used to cover them up, but, you know.
Middle fingers in the air. We're gonna bounce, yeah.
Kore nani, 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 neko.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you.
Open the door or I'm gonna throw rocks through your windows, you dumb whore.
Your boring fart or something. How about this?
Oh my god! He turned into a little ball!
Ne kadar ayıp.
Salsa on the beat.
Damn, reach.
Here's some. Oh, we got him back. Hello. Hello, baby. He's grabbing my phone. He's grabbing my phone. Hey. Hey. Let go of my phone. Let go of my phone. You're so cute. Grab my phone, motherfucker. Look at your face. Why are there only two of you? Oh, shit. Well, I don't know if we're gonna name you if you're just gonna go ahead and do that. Oh, yeah, you do look like you want out. Hold up. Shit, there's nothing to grab. I swear to God, if you bite me. Come on out. Come on out. Come on, baby. There you go. Come on, you want? Come on, your turn. Your turn, baby. I'm gonna leave this one a tower since she's so scared.
Nathalie.
Ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Baby, what did you bring home?
Some McDonald's.
What's over there behind you?
Nothing.
Let me see.
I found some babies.
Oh my gosh. Let me see.
Okay. Oh, come on, kids.
Oh wow.
Okay, so fun fact, I adopted a deaf husky over the weekend. That's a whole different story. But I'm starting to suspect that, he's not. There's the boy. Go back to what you were doing. I have to show the people, I have to give the people evidence. You can lie down. Okay. still looking at me, so I want to make sure it's not just because I'm moving. Milo! Milo! Oh, you are not deaf, you are not deaf!
And the possum's still missing. I'm coming in. Why is there a chicken on your sink? The kittens are still here. There's a duck in your toilet. There's a pig in your shit.
3, 2, 1. I love, what does
What did I just witness?
Mr. Dinky, we need to fill the chicks. Hi, Dinky.
Get your tongue off my door. Get it off my door. Nix. Get your tongue. Get it off my door. Nix. Nix. Get your tongue off my door. Thank you. Don't. Stop it. Stop it. Next. Stop licking my door. Stop. Next. Stop licking it. Stop it. Now don't start scratching it, that's worse.
Wisco Beats. And